Hey guys, welcome to DelphStack Tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a welcome channel to your Discord server. Go to the main server where you want to add a welcome channel. On the top left, find text channels and click the plus icon to create a channel. Name the channel Welcome Channel. Click Create Channel and the channel will be created. Next, open your server menu to configure the channel settings. Go to Server Settings, then click on App Directory. Search for Dino on the App Directory page. Select the first result and click Add App. The Dino setup page will open where you can select your preferred settings such as time zone. Continue with the setup process. Search for the welcome module and enable it. Toggle the welcome module on and open its settings. Select the welcome channel you created earlier. Choose the message type and write a welcome message if you like. You can use available variables to customize the welcome message. Return to your Discord server to check the welcome channel. The welcome message is now active in the channel. This is how you create a welcome channel on your Discord server. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon.